If your Midea portable air conditioner suddenly stops working correctly or starts showing unusual behavior, performing a quick reset can often fix the problem. Like many electronic appliances, portable AC units sometimes experience small electrical glitches that affect normal operation. A reset helps clear temporary faults in the system and allows the unit to start fresh. Issues such as power interruptions, a full water tray, dirty filters, or minor control errors can trigger warning codes or prevent the AC from cooling properly. In many cases, these problems are easy to resolve without professional repair. By resetting the unit, checking basic maintenance items, and understanding common error codes, you can often restore the air conditioner to normal working condition and keep it running efficiently. Step 1. Unplug the air conditioner and turn off the circuit breaker for about 10 seconds. Step 2. Turn the breaker back on and plug the AC unit into the outlet again. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button on the control panel for around 3 seconds. Step 4. Check and clean the air filter to ensure proper airflow. Step 5. Drain the water tray or connect the drain hose if the unit shows a P1 code. Step 6. Wait at least 3 minutes before restarting to protect the compressor.